Dear students, today we are going to start new chapter number 13, Exponents and Powers. Let's see what does it mean. Exponent. We can write large numbers in a shorter form using exponent. Here the number is 10,000 which can be written like 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 or directly 10 to the power 4. Why we use exponent? We use exponent to write in shorter form and to avoid mistakes. Like if there is a bigger number, okay, so if you have to calculate, if you have to include this number in a calculation, so for each and every step you have to write that, so that can make a mistake. You can commit a mistake there in counting the number of zeros. So there is an easy way just to write in shorter form. Like how many zeros are there? There are 6 zeros, so simply you can write it as 10 to the power 6. That's why we just prefer in higher classes to write the numbers in exponent if it is possible. Here 10 to the power 4, 10 is called base, 4 is called exponent. Exponent means simply the power. The number 10 to the power 4 is read as कैसे पढ़ते हैं इसको? 10 raised to power 4 or simply fourth power of 10. Like it can be read as 10 raised to power 2, but it's better to say 10 square because हमें पता है कि इसके लिए एक proper word बना हुआ है, that is square. So 10 square. It is 10 cube. You can say 10 raised to power 3, but it's better to say 10 cube because there is a shorter way to speak up. Yes? Now, how to calculate exponents? This is one more exponent. Base is given there. As I have explained, this 2 is base, 4 is exponent or index, or we can say power. It is 2 to the power 4. What does it mean? It means 2 is multiplied to itself 4 times. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It gives us 16. Now question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Exponential means in the form of power. Here 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. How many times? It is 4 times. So it will become 6 to the power 4. Here I am just going to do 2 more. Here it is 2 is multiplied to 2. 2 times. Okay, 2 is 2 times and a is again twice. So we will write here separately. For this it will be 2 square into, it is a square. You can't multiply these two together, or simply you can write 2 square a square, and hence in both there is a square, so you can simply write 2a whole square. All three are correct. For last one means that is for sixth, this is a into a into a means a cube, then c into c into c into c means c to the power 4. Then only one d is here, so we will simply write d. Now you can write this like a cube c to the power 4 d. No need to put multiplication sign. If you want you can, but no need. If you are not putting any sign, it means there is multiplication between these terms. Remaining parts will be done by you. Question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Okay, now numbers are given and we have to write these numbers into exponent form. What does it mean by 512? How it can be broken down? In initial example, I have shown you 10,000. It was easy to break down. We know 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 gives 10,000, which means 10 to the power 4. But this 512 is not that much easy number which we can just decompose or we can break down very easily by seeing. For this, we have to just take out factors. Let's factorize it. 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again by 2 because it is even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then again divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again you will just continue downward, but here I am not getting much space, that's why I am writing it here. Now 32 again divisible by 2, 16 2s are 32, then 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what are the factors here? 512 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So many 2's are there. Let's count how many 2's are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means 2 to the power 9. This is the way how we can write any random number in the form of exponents. Similarly, you will do with other numbers. For this, you will just find the prime factors of numbers of this, this and this. Okay, let me just tell you one more. I'll just give you a hint. 343 and 729. 343 is not divisible by 2 because it's not even number, not divisible by 3 because the sum of number is not divisible by 3. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, so it's not. Then not divisible by 5 because here is no 5 and 0. Then not, is it divisible by 7? Yes. Let's divide it by 7 and then you will just get answer easily. Here 729. By which number it is divisible? Not by 2, not by 3, not by 5, not by 7, not by 11. Just keep on checking with prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Why we are not checking by 4? Because 4 is divisible by 2. अगर ये 2 से ही divisible नहीं है तो 4 से क्यों होगा? Common sense. Then 7, check with 7. Then 11, 13, then 17, then 19, after 19, 23, and so on. So keep on checking. You can directly divide 729 with any number, like if you don't know what is the uh, rule of divisibility of 17, so simply divide it by 17. If it is completely divisible, then it can be the factor of 17 can be the factor of this number, otherwise not. Try to do it yourself. If there will be any confusion, we will resolve during live classes. Now question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Okay, let's see. Out of these two, which is greater? It is very simple to find out. I'm just doing this one. Third, 2 to the power 8. What's the value of this? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4. How many times? 2 multiplied to itself 8 times. Let's find 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. Then 128 2s are 256. Answer is 256. Here it is 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. So which is greater? 256 or 64? Since 256 is greater than 64, this implies that 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. This will be the way to write answer. Clear? I am doing one more part. Part 4th. Here it is 100 square, which is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. Okay, is it clear? Now 2 to the power 100. It is very difficult to solve. Why? Because we have to multiply 2 with itself 100 times, which is not practical. Let's see, wherever we will get greater than 10,000, then we will stop. If we will not be like getting greater than 10,000, then we will say it is less. अगर हमें कहीं पर भी लग रहा है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 10,000 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आने लगा है, सो वी विल स्टॉप देयर. सो व्हाट, सॉरी, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiple times you have to do. मल्टीपल टाइम्स मीन्स 100 टाइम्स. ओके, इंटू 2 ऐसे करते रहेंगे. कितनी बार करेंगे? 100 टाइम. बट आपको 100 टाइम नहीं करना है, ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे से करोगे 2 2 ज़ार 4, 4 2 ज़ार 8, 8 2 ज़ार 16, 16 2 ज़ार 32, 32 2 ज़ार 64, 64 2 ज़ार 128, 128 2 ज़ार 256, 256. After that you can do like this, 2 2 ज़ार 4 again. ओके, देन इंटू 2 इंटू 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 इतना तो हमारा क्या आ गया? ये आ गया था हमारा 156, सॉरी 256. इसके बाद जो नंबर्स हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है आप 256 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करो. यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट दीज नंबर्स सेपरेटली. 2 2 ज़ार 4, 4 2 ज़ार 8, 8 2 ज़ार 16, अगेन 16 2 ज़ार 32. लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई दिस. और भी नंबर आते जाएंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. इसके बाद भी बहुत सारे टूज अभी बचे हुए हैं. ओके, सो ऑन. नाउ लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू. फिर बाकी के बचे हुए टू भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डोंट वरी. सो 256 इंटू 32. फाइंड इट आउट. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 256 and 32, you will get 8192. अगेन मोर टूज आर रिमेनिंग हेयर. तो ये हमें और मल्टीप्लाई करते जाना है. इट इज़ अराउंड 8000. अगर इसको एक बार 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इट विल बी अबाउट 16,000. ओके, सो 16,000 हमारे पास आ जा रहा है एक और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर. और यहाँ कितना है? देयर इज़ ओनली एंड ओनली 10,000. तो ये आंसर तो हमारा अभी 10,000 से ज़्यादा आ रहा है, जबकि हमने अ फ्यू नंबर्स ऑफ टूज आर मल्टीप्लाई टू इट सेल्फ. हमें तो 100 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है, वो तो ऑब्वियसली 10,000 से ज़्यादा ही होगा. सो हियर यू विल राइट what is the power of 2 here. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 2 to the power 13 is equal to 8192, and if you will multiply it with 2, means 2 to the power 14 is greater than 10,000. ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि एक बार और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये 10,000 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर 100 square is less than 2 to the power 100. I hope you got this. Try to do yourself this question again, and other part also. Other parts are easy to calculate because there is not big power. Only 2 to the power is quite big in comparison to other, but it was the biggest. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class and learned a lot. Have a good day ahead.